Back to the spiritual bombs. Now, I don't know who needs this message today, but if you've been feeling spiritually off, disconnected, overwhelmed, or even a little numb, then this is a sign that you're supposed to be here to hear this message. Sometimes the issue isn't that you're doing the wrong thing, it's that you're doing the right thing with a spirit that's depleted. We're going to talk about 3 signs that you may be in need of a spiritual reset. Not a new spell, ladies, not another ritual, a true spiritual reset. So let's get into it. Sign number 1. You're doing all the spiritual things, but still you feel no connection. You're lighting your candles, you're pulling your cards, you're saying your affirmations every day like clockwork, but nothing feels sacred anymore. It feels like you're just going through the motions. And deep down, you know something's off. That's a sign your spirit isn't asking for more tools, ladies. It's asking for stillness. Your rituals are sacred, don't get me wrong, continue. But they should be felt, not just done every day. When there's no feeling, no connection, no peace, that's your spirit saying to you, pause, reconnect with me. I'm here, but we're not in sync right now. Sign number 2. Everyone around you feels like too much, too stressful, too bothersome. You just don't want to deal with people. You used to hold space for everyone. You could listen. You might even guide, nurture, and you pour it into others without draining yourself. But now, even a text message feels like pressure. You're not being mean. You're not being cold. You're just full. When your energy field is overloaded, you start to feel spiritually claustrophobic. This is not a character flaw, ladies. This is your energy telling you as well, protect me. Please give me space to breathe. Stop letting everyone tap in when you haven't even recharged. I'm tired. Sign number 3. You feel disconnected from spirit and you also doubt your path. Am I on here? Am I here? Am I supposed to be here? Am I supposed to be? This is where I'm supposed to be. Am I doing the right thing? Should I have done this? Should I have done that? Should I just walk away, give up? I get it. You know what it's like to feel aligned. You remember that feeling. You remember the days when your prayer or meditation gave you clarity, when your intuition was sharp, when spirit felt close. But lately, you feel like your prayers are just floating in silence. No one's listening to you. You can't hear the divine, most high. You question your purpose. You wonder, am I still chosen? Did I lose my connection? Are my gifts gone? I'm confused. This one is the most painful. But I want you to hear me clearly, ladies. You are not lost. You are just being recalibrated. Spirit hasn't left you, but Spirit may be inviting you to evolve. Slow down so that you can receive and not just do. Sometimes the silence is not punishment, but it's preparation. So what does spiritual reset actually looks like? It doesn't have to be dramatic. It's not about deleting your altar or throwing out your tools. A reset can look like saying no to the one thing a day that drains you, or person, or activity. Spending time in silence before grabbing your phone. Meditate. Rest. Breathe. Letting yourself cry without explaining why. Cry alone, in your car, by yourself. Because sometimes you have to, people are like, well, why are you crying? You don't want to have to explain why you're crying. You don't have to explain why you're crying. Cry at night when everybody's asleep. But get it out. Going outside and letting nature hold you. Go sit by a tree, grab a book or an audio book. Music, your earphones, just you, nature. Walk around. Listen to the birds. Watch the trees. You know, what you're really doing is choose presence over performance, stillness over striving, listening instead of fixing. And when you're ready, when you're really ready, you'll rise again, clearer, stronger, and softer. Now, if this message hit home, if you know you need a reset and you're not sure how to do it alone, that's exactly the kind of support I offer in my spiritual counseling. I work with women who are spiritually gifted, spiritually tired, and ready to reconnect with the divine on their terms. You can reach out through the links in the description. But until then, ladies, remember to breathe, rest, and reset. You don't need to do more. You just need to come back to you. Now, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.